สบายดีปีใหม่ Happy Lao New Year from Vientiane, Laos. Have you ever celebrated this Lao New Year with your family here in Laos? Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and I'm so excited to take you along with me and my family as we enjoy this joyful and meaningful day together. We started our celebrations at home around 11:30 a.m. My siblings, kids, and I gathered together to perform our annual traditions. Pouring water, paying respect to our fathers is our way of showing love and appreciation to the one who raised us with strength, care, and endless support. This year, only our father was with us since our mother stayed in our hometown in Pon Hong District, Vientiane Province. Even though she wasn't here in person, we carried her love with us in our hearts. After the blessing ceremony at home, I took my two little ones out to join the New Year fund. We headed to Wat Bana Khe in Vientiane district. It's a beautiful temple close to home where we could enjoy the traditional water blessings. The kids were so excited, especially my son, who couldn't stop smiling and dancing to the music. There's something magical about seeing your children enjoy the traditions you grew up with. We sprinkled water on the Buddha's statues, offered prayers, and made wishes for peace, good health, and happiness. Of course, this couldn't be New Year without a little snacking and some small treats. I bought fun toys for the kids, including playful snacks and a cute pair of color sunglasses. For my children, they looked absolutely adorable. We also brought some delicious ice cream, perfect for a very hot weather today. During the Lao New Year festival, many temples are opened for free visits. It's a wonderful time to travel around and join in the traditions of sprinkling water on Buddha's statues. Next, we drove to the most sacred and iconic place in Laos, Plat Luang. The kids were thrilled because they wanted to visit the funhouse playground nearby. But before that, we came across something special. Bird sellers near the parking area. Boss of my kids asked if they could reverse the traditional Lao acts of kindness to bring memories and good luck. I bought 2 cakes for 50,000 kip each. I walked to the forest garden near the statues of King Sanyase Chatiras. My son gently guided his little sister, and they opened the cakes together. Watching the birds fly away and seeing the joy on their face, those moments were truly heartwarming. Then, we entered the temple ground to the west gate. During Pi Mai, the entrance is free and open to the public. Many families were there, offering prayers, soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Inside, we poured water on the large Buddha statues and made our wish. I pray for my children's good health, for my parents' long life, and happiness for our family and loved ones. After visiting the temple, we made our way to the playground. But to our surprise, it was closed. A little disappointing. But hey, there's a part of adventure. Luckily, just across from the first playground, there is another free public playground. My kids like it too. For your information, Lao people are incredibly warm and welcoming, always happy to greet visitors with open hearts. Since almost every village has its own temple, you will easily find one nearby as you explore Vientiane. Just follow the music and the joyful laughter. Chances are a celebration is right around the corners for the Lao New Year. If you want to join during the Lao New Year's for your next trip, I let my kids playing in the kids playgrounds for a while. After they were tired, I bring them to have some snack eating. There is a pizza company's restaurant nearby. We went inside and enjoyed a mini feast of pizzas, crispy chicken wings, and snacks. The kids were laughing, we shared stories, and simply shows in the happiness of the day. This video is all about celebrating Lao New Year with young children under 10 years old. Since we are not heading out to big parties or crowded places, we choose to enjoy a fun and meaningful day together as family. Thank you so much for watching my video up to very end. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share if you enjoy our family day. ขอบใจหลายๆ บ๊ายบาย